In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin out of your Casa key shield. The first thing you want to do is tap Send, and at the very top, you see a button called Send From. Here, you'll see a list of every Bitcoin address that you've used, including the amount of Bitcoin that is associated with that address. You can select a specific address to spend from if you'd like. Your next step is to put in a value. You can have it set in US dollars or in Bitcoin by tapping that button. You can also go back to USD by tapping the same button. We've also provided a nice Send Max button. Let's send $100 worth of Bitcoin out of your Casa key shield. Your next step is to choose a recipient. Here, you can scan a QR code if you'd like. You can enter an address and paste a Bitcoin address, or you can use a shortcut. When you use the shortcut that we have provided, we send it to the Bitcoin address that is associated with that Casa account. Simply tap the shortcut, and what we do is we grab the Bitcoin address that is associated with that account and we generate a transaction. Here, we've sent it to your key shield. This is great for sending Bitcoin to yourself. Some of our clients do this to consolidate UTXOs. On this screen, you see the amount of Bitcoin that you're sending, the address it's going to, as well as the fee. The fee is customizable. You can send it to fast, normal, slow, or even cheapest if you'd like. You can also leave a little note for yourself about what this transaction is about. The last step here is you're going to take your finger and you're going to swipe up to confirm. We're going to use your mobile key as the first signature for your multisig transaction. You're going to tap Continue Signing, and then you're going to tap to add a new signature, and then Send Email. You'll see a pending screen on your Casa app. You'll see the amount of Bitcoin that you're sending, the address is going to, and you'll also see a change address. This is the amount of Bitcoin that is getting returned to you from the source of Bitcoin that you selected earlier in the previous step. Your next step is to go to your email. You can open up the email that we sent you. We're going to click Connect Your Device Now. And then you're going to choose your device. For our demo, we're going to choose Trezor. Plug it in, and then you're going to sign the transaction. We're going to allow once for this session, type in the PIN, and then you're going to confirm the transaction details in your Trezor device. You're going to verify the amount and the address it's going to, and you can do that by comparing it with the address that you see in your Casa app. Once everything checks out, you're going to click Confirm, and we will sign the transaction. And we're going to confirm one more time. And you'll see that it worked. You may now unplug your Trezor device. In your Casa app, you will see that 2 signatures have been added. Your final step here is to add one more signature. In order to do that, you're going to tap to add a new signature. You're going to click Send Email. Once again, you'll see a pending screen on your Casa app. Your next step is to go to the Casa email. You're going to open it up. Click the button Connect Your Device Now, and then we're going to choose your device. This time, we're going to use your Ledger Nano S. We're going to plug it in, and then you're going to enter in the PIN for your hardware wallet. And then you're going to enter into the Bitcoin app by clicking both buttons, and you'll see that the application is ready. On your computer screen, you're going to click Sign Transaction. And then you'll see Review Output Number 1 on your device. Here, you're going to check the amount of Bitcoin that you're sending by matching that with what you see in the Casa app. And then you're going to click both buttons to accept. Next, you're going to review the second output. This is sent to the change address. You're going to match the amount as well as the change address with what you see in the Casa app. Once you're done, you're going to click both buttons to accept. Then you're going to confirm the transaction one last time, click both buttons to accept and send. And you'll see that it worked. In your Casa app, you should see 3 signatures now in order to complete the transaction. You'll simply tap the button Complete Transaction, and your transaction has now been broadcast to the Bitcoin network.